How to fix in case your infotainment screen in your Nissan Altima, Sentra, Rogue and many other Nissan model is completely black. It doesn't work. No matter what you're trying to press, it doesn't power back on while the car is on, obviously. So I'll show you two different things you can do. The first thing I always suggest to do is a simple reboot of the screen. How do you do it? Well, you're going to press, okay, I will explain to you and then I'll show you. You're going to find the volume power button. On your model, this button is located on the middle and you're going to keep it pressed during around 15 seconds. Okay, by keeping it pressed until you see the Nissan logo appearing on the display. Once you see the Nissan logo, you can release. So let me demonstrate how it works. I'm currently pressing on it and I will just stay like that. I won't release it until the screen is completely black. If your screen was already black, just wait 15 seconds. Okay, it's black. I'm still pressing a few more seconds until I see the Nissan logo. I can release the button and right now it's restarting. None of your presets and other settings will be deleted. This is just a reboot. If this didn't fix your issue, I'll show you trick number 2. This is a trick I saw on Reddit. Some people said that they were able to make it work again after doing it. So the first step is to turn off the car. Once the car is turned off, get out of the car, lock it, and stay around 20 minutes. I know it seems long, but wait just so that the car cools down completely. If you can, try parking the car in the shades. After 20 minutes, unlock the car, and start the car the way you usually do. Fortunately, after doing this, the screen will work again. Some people that had this issue were able to solve it. Unfortunately, obviously not many people have 20 minutes to waste. You can try to do that without waiting that 20 minutes, but many people described as if you let this screen cool down, and obviously right now it's right in the sun, it's extremely warm at the touch. If you can put a sunshade over here, over your screen, try to cool it down, it can help as well. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Leave a comment if it was. Leave a comment if you have other tips on how to fix a black screen. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks again. Subscribe.